Detroit and Silicon Valley, Little Deuce Coupe and Mustang Sally, Madras beads and a boulevard of broken dreams. Clint Eastwood, Richard Petty, Isley Brothers and People Get It Ready, moonshine wine and faded old blue jeans. Oh, land of the free and home of the brave. Super Bowl of American soul. Well, high tech and high top chucks, six-pack abs and 6-point bucks, Redwood boys and Panama City girls, cowboys and Indian chiefs, sundress bikinis and boxer briefs, where Elvis is king and the Dairy Queen swirls. Oh, land of Lincoln and Robert E. Lee. Oh, from sea to shining sea. Hey you, hey me, hey, hey, what you wanna be? Your country heart beats true with rock and roll. Hey, red, white, blue, apple pie and crawfish stew, all mixed up in a big old Super Bowl of American soul. Dr. Pepper, Dr. King, coal mines and diamond rings, muddy water, Mississippi Delta blues, pop tops, hip hop and high heel shoes. Hey baby, take my hand, let's watch the sunset in the promised land. Shadow dance with me and the radio.